Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We are Dre and Wiley, and this is Suits2Sandals, and we are currently shooting from Baja, California, Sur. We've been down here for a month now, learning how to kiteboard, and nothing short of fantastic. If you're new to the channel, Dre and I were corporate grinding for about 15 years before we finally got fed up with that, sold the house, sold the cars, packed up, and hit the road in a built-out Sprinter van that we purchased in 2017 and converted to our seasonal home on wheels.
We are a seasonal travel channel because once we quit our jobs in downstate New York, we bought a seasonal business. So half of the year we're working our seasonal business and the other half of the year we're traveling and creating travel content. We basically just wanted to take a little bit of time and explain what our channel is. We're not just one thing. Our tagline is hike, bike, and adventure, and that encompasses basically anything outdoors. We just love to do outdoor stuff. The hiking includes day hikes and through hikes, and eventually I'd like to get into even more through hiking. We also cover biking, which is mountain biking. We love to mountain bike, and bike touring. So we've done several series with bike tours. We've done the East Coast Greenway. That was our first bike tour from Maine all the way to Florida, and other ones as well. Lastly, the adventure part is basically anything outdoors. So when we're not hiking or biking, we are in our Sprinter van and traveling around the country or in Mexico so far, and just really seeing what these different states and country has to offer. Anything adventure outdoors. We love learning new things and new activities.
AKA kiteboarding, which is our new addiction. So if you've been following along throughout the Baja Series, you may already know that unfortunately we lost our Siberian Husky, Maisha, while on the trip. So that was a tough time for us. We did actually shoot a video about it to explain to everybody who follows along what happened and kind of trying to just figure out where to go from there. And that's essentially the whole reason we're shooting this video right now. We've got some exciting news for you. Here's the exciting news. This is Melvin. All right, so like I said, this is Melvin. Melvin is our new adventure buddy. And after we lost Misha, the way the story goes is we were thinking we were going to take about a year and be without a dog and see where the adventure travel took us. Opened up the realm of maybe Alaska, maybe international, flying overseas, and that only lasted about 3 months. We were driving through our old hometown and we went to our local animal shelter, which we used to visit and spoil dogs and walk dogs, and you know the drill. And Dre said the infamous words, "Let's just take a look." And the rest is history.
So we got Melvin from the Middletown Humane Society in Middletown, New York. And basically we weren't really looking for a dog. He was a unique story. So we looked at 2 other dogs before Melvin. They kind of just ignored us. They didn't really care. But when we took Melvin out,
this little man didn't want to explore the area where the dogs are traditionally let out to play. He just wanted to climb on my lap and melt all over me. And he chose us. People say it all the time. It definitely happened. He was like, yep, I'm going home with you guys. Sign the papers. Let's go.
So even though we weren't ready for a dog, we are a household that always wants to have a dog. It's really hard for us to not have a dog. And even though the timing wasn't perfect, we knew that we had to adopt him.
Yeah, there was a little void in our life at that particular time, and Melvin was the perfect answer to that.
Melvin, when we adopted him, we think he was roughly 8 to 10 months old, but they really didn't have any history on him. But basically, his tag on his kennel said mixed breed. They had no idea what he was. So we paid and did the Embark DNA test, and we found out that this little guy is German Shepherd, Boxer, American Pit Bull Terrier, and 20% like so mixed they don't even have a clue what he is.
Typical Baja dog, even though he's not from Baja. Even though Melvin picked us, it didn't come without complications. He loves the two of us, and it pretty much stopped there. The shelter didn't tell us about that. That wasn't anything that was disclosed to us, that he wasn't in love with strangers. I don't know why he took to us, but man, he definitely has what is known as fear aggression, and that is towards any and every stranger that is not one of the two of us.
Yeah, so we had no clue, and basically when we took him to meet family, he started barking and growling, and it got to the point where Melvin basically can't be touched by anyone except for the two of us. His circle is slowly growing bigger, but we're up to 6 people now, and it is definitely a challenge, especially when you're on the road and traveling. But it's very manageable, and he's 100% worth it.
So once we realized that Melvin had some serious fear aggression, we seeked out the advice and assistance of a professional trainer in the area that we live, and we definitely worked extensively with him on a lot of things, from basic training all the way up through in preparation for the adventures that he's going to have and was about to have. So if you follow along on the channel and you watch the East Coast Greenway trip from Maine to Florida that Dre mentioned, that Maisha got to go on, you're going to like our next series, because Melvin's first adventure is in fact going to be a bike tour as well. So stay tuned for some Texas hill country, the star of the show being Mr. Melvin in the Burley bike trailer.
So we were really excited to announce the newest member of the family and of the pack, and we hope you follow along and enjoy our future adventures with Melvin. If you have any recommendations of things that we should do next, leave a comment below. It's really nice to see people's suggestions, and if you haven't already, please subscribe.
And if you think this guy's cute, hit that like and subscribe button. Thanks.
Bye!